Today I am going to teach you about the MS window. In this session I am going to teach you about the locate component of window, move and resize a window, open the control panel, change window appearance, taskbar customization and date and time configuration, and configure the mouse setting. These are the things I am going to teach you. MS Windows operating system you have already learned in earlier classes. Let us now more about component of window and control panel. This is the control panel window. In this window, have you seen that here is back button and forward button. It is minimize button, it is maximize button, close button and address bar button. Menu control bar. This is called menu control bar button. And this is scroll bar. Look this in the proper way. You must have to recognize which button is called the minimize button, maximize button, close button, address bar, and all I have already said about this. And here also arrow sign they are given which things is called. Look here is address bar here. It show the arrow. Look here, address bar show the error here. First about the address bar. Address bar display the address of the current open window. It means that any window if you open, that window's names display on the address bar. Menu control bar. This bar comprise of different menu and icons like organize, open, include in library, share with, email, new folder, etc. Back button. This button is used to view folders step by step for backwards. Forward button. This button is used to return back to the current folder after viewing the previous folder. Minimize button. This button is used to shrink the open window to the taskbar. Restore button. When you maximize a window, the minimize button look like this. It resizes the window back to its original size. Maximize button. This button is used to increase the size of window to its maximum. Close button. This button is used to close an open window. Maximize button, restore button, close button, minimize button. Scroll bar. Scroll bar appear if the text or document in window is longer or larger than display area. If your text either icons are more than their display area, then scroll bar appear. There are two types of scroll: horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. We use arrowhead button present at the end of the scroll bar to scroll. Status bar. This bar is placed at the lower end of a window. It shows information about the status of a file or folder, including date of creation, its modification. Moving a window. We use the following step to move a window. Step 1, click on the upper left corner of the window. Step 2, click on the move option. Here, click at the top left corner of the window, then click move option. This is the way you can move it. Step 3, use the arrow key to move the window to new place. Step 4, press the enter key. We can use the mouse to move a window. Simply hold the window from title bar and drag it to a new place. Resizing a window. We follow this step and resize window. Click on the upper left corner of the window. Click on the size option from the menu. Then use the arrow key to resize the window to the required size. Step 4, press the enter key to after the completing task. Look here I already given everything. Size option have you seen there? Click on that, then that option will come in. We can resize a window using a mouse also. Place the mouse pointer on any one of the 4 border of a window and drag the border to resize it. By the help of the mouse button also you can do this. Control panel. Control panel of MS Windows 7 is loaded with many icons. These icons are used to manage various resources and operating the computer system. The control panel is also useful in changing the display setting, addition or removal of program, alteration of date and time, etc. Opening the control panel. To open control panel window, we follow these steps. Step 1, click on start button. Step 2, click on control option. We see the category view of control panel. We can change the view of this panel by clicking on the category button and choosing the new option out of the 2 available large icons, view and small icons. Control panel window, that is category views, large icon view, control panel window, small icon view. First, that is the category view. Second, that is the large icon view. And third, that is a small icon view. Changing the appearance of window. We follow this step to change the desktop background, font color, window color and sound, etc. Step, open the control panel and click on appearance personalize option. Out of a list of options, click on personalization option. Step 3, select theme of your choice and click to apply it. First click here. When you click here, then you click on the personalization. After that, click on the, you can see there are various types of theme. You can select any theme. Customize taskbar. How can we customize taskbar? We can change the setting of the taskbar by the following steps. Step 1, open control panel. Click on the appearance and personalize option. Click on the taskbar and start menu. Then click on the desired option in the taskbar and start menu property dialog box. Auto hide the taskbar. If we check this option, the taskbar disappears from the window. Arrow peak. Arrow peak is a unique feature of MS Windows 7 that turns all open window to transparent, allowing us to peek into our desktop and see it. To activate this feature, click on the use arrow peak to preview the desktop option. Step 5, click apply option to click OK. Configure date and time. How do we configure date and time? The taskbar of Windows 7 contains system tray that show the current date and time. Generally, you have seen the right side of the taskbar, this thing, system tray. We can make change in date and time if required by the following result. Step, open the control panel, click on clock, language and region. Then step 2, click on date and time option. Step 3, click on change date and time button from the date and time dialog box. Then step 4, change the date and time on the screen. Step 5, click on OK button. Like this way, look here given, click here, first you click here, language and region, then click on date and time, then click change date and time, then change date and time according to your requirement. After that, press OK. To open date and time dialog box, click the clock on the taskbar and later click change and date time. From there also you can change. Configure the mouse. We can change the mouse pointer type, speed of pointer movement, double click speed and pointer trail by following these steps. Step 1, open the control panel and click on hardware and sound option. Step 2, click on mouse option from device and printer. As you notice that the mouse property dialog box is visible containing many tabs in it. We can select tabs and make the change in property as desired. Change the button configuration. We can change mouse button setting by following steps. Don't select the switch primary and secondary button. Check box if the operator work using his right hand. Step 2, if the operator work using his left hand, then select the check box. Then click apply. We see that the button function are interchanged. So it is helpful for the right hander to left hand. Suppose any person left hander, then we can change their setting from this place. Changing the double click speed. To reduce the double click speed, drag the slider to the left side. Look here, it's given the slider. To increase the double click speed, drag the slider to the right side and click on apply button and next click OK. Like this way you can do. Changing the pointer type. There are various types of pointer types also. If you want to change, you can change it also. We can change the shape of the mouse pointer in Windows 7 using the following step. Step 1, click on pointer type. Step 2, select a pointer type from the list of pointer that appear from the customized list. Click on the browse button if you have more pointer style save at other location. A new window is seen containing different option of available pointer. Step 4, select the pointer shape as desired. Then click on open button, then click on apply button. At last click on OK button after completing the task. We can click on the use of default button in mouse property dialog box to change the replace pointer to its default shape. Words to remember. Control panel has many icons that help us to perform many operations on a computer. Arrow peak turn all the open window to transparent, allowing us to peek at our desktop. Next session I will teach you about their question answer and exercise. Have a nice day, my child.